Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: raw blocks running, your Blox Fruits account logged in, and a farm-friendly loadout equipped. Once done, choose a nearby low-level island where mobs respawn quickly so you can queue fights non-stop. Make sure to set one-click attack binds and an auto-movement macro or script that repeats simple combos. This reduces idle time and keeps XP flowing. You want mobility, dash, or fruit skill to reset fights faster and avoid pull delays. You now build the grind loop by mapping a reliable path. Spawn, approach mobs, execute attacks, then retreat to reset. Once mapped, program a macro that performs your attack sequence, uses mobility, and includes short waits to match skill cooldowns. Make sure to add random small delays and occasional directional variance so behavior looks natural. If the server lags, increase wait times to prevent misses. Keep testing until the loop runs smoothly for several cycles without errors. You finish by running the automated loop in controlled sessions, checking progress and collecting drops between runs. Once done, rotate islands when spawn rates drop and step up to higher yield targets as your level rises. Make sure to watch for server kicks or anti-cheat warnings. If that happens, stop the script, add more randomization, and rejoin a fresh server. A simple troubleshooting tip: increase random delays by 10 to 30% and test again to reduce detection and desync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.